Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We just got the S20 Ultra not too long ago. Really excited to open this. We just got our hands on this S20 Ultra from Samsung. We're going to open it up and show you a little bit about this phone. Can't wait. Please make sure to like, subscribe, hit the button below, and stay tuned for more up and coming videos. Hey guys, so we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra today. We're really excited to show you guys a little bit about this phone. Stay tuned, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment so you can see our upcoming video when we unbox the S20. Today we're going to be doing the S20 Ultra. Alright, so just let's get into it a little bit. We're going to open the box. You can see Samsung included this phone with a 6.9-inch AMOLED screen. This phone from the beginning feels very solid in my hands. The camera on the back is the space zoom 100 times. So the camera on this is something that a lot of people are going nuts about. Just going to turn the phone on, and while we do that, you can see in the box Samsung included the fast charger with the USB-C type connector. They also included the USB to USB cable. You can use this on your adapter, or if you want to connect it to a different type of device such as a HDMI, something that requires a USB-C, and the original AKG headphones that they always include with their flagship phones. So let's go ahead and turn this phone on and show you what it's about. Now this phone has a very clear screen. Just looking at the screen is really nice. They have the Bixby button, the volume up and the volume down. There's no home button in this. The fingerprint is underneath the screen. Let's go ahead and open it. And this is basically notchless. There's only the selfie camera here, and everything around here is screen. The screen resolution on this is very nice. The phone itself has a 108 megapixel camera. That's with the ultra wide zoom. We're gonna go ahead and show you a little bit more about the cameras later on in the video. And the selfie camera on this is 48 megapixel wide angle, so you're gonna get crystal clear selfie camera photos on this and video. So we're really excited to show you a little bit about that later on. The video quality is 8K. It captures the video in 8K quality, and the memory is 128 gigs. They also have the 512 gigs version, and you can put a SD card up to 1 terabyte. So you can potentially have a lot of extra storage on this device. This is running Android 10, which is the latest Android operating system. And the battery life is 5100 mAh, so this should probably give you an all-day battery. The SIM tray removal tool is actually inside the box, the top of the box, so don't freak out if you don't see it at the bottom of the box. Give you a TPU case so that you can protect your phone. And there are going to be other varieties of cases, but Samsung went ahead and gifted their customers with a free case just in case. No pun intended. I'm going to open up the SIM tray. You have your micro SD, and you have your SIM 1, and you could also put a second SIM in this version that we're unboxing today. So you can have up to 2 SIM cards in this for multiple services. And this is the USB-C. And the speakers are at the bottom of the frame. Once again, this is a very solid phone. It feels very nice in my hands. Very important, folks. This is how you power off your device. Now with the Samsung S20 Ultra, there's 2 ways to do this. The first way is with a drop-down menu, and you'll see you have the option of turning the phone off or restarting the phone or emergency mode. The second option is by holding down the Bixby button and the volume down keys for a couple of seconds, and then you'll get the same option to power off your device. Hey guys, so that's the unboxing and the photo and videos features of the Galaxy S20 Ultra. We've had the chance to review the Note 10 from Xiaomi. If you look at our other videos, you'll see the review that we did. And by far, the S20 Ultra, we think, outperforms the Xiaomi Note 10. Please be sure to like, subscribe, check out this phone if you have the chance. The camera quality is amazing. This is just a super top-notch phone, and we'll be excited to show you more up-and-coming features in the future. Thanks from the Phone Repair Guy. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And anything you want us to do, let us know. Thanks.